Hey. I think I have one concurrent viewer, but I don't know if it's me. So, let's see.
Of clipping here, but I'm okay with that. That's just the tip of the waves. It's going to push it up a little bit towards the left side. And now let's push it out of the way. If I turn my curves on and off, have a look at the image. So this is before and this is after. So I've just added a lot of contrast into the image and it just looks a little bit richer. To me, this is usually the very first thing I do just to get the exposure of the image correct. Also, do note that if you find yourself having to make very large changes on the Luma, if you have a really flat image and you push all the darks really dark and the brights really bright, you are only increasing the luminance. You're not increasing the saturation. And sometimes your final image may have a lot more contrast, but it may feel a little bit desaturated. So one thing I tend to do, I like to search for, you can use a hue and saturation effect or whatever. In Premiere Pro, I like to use the fast color corrector.
I have guests. Let's go say hi. There we go. Now you guys can hear me. So, this music is called Winter Garden, is the performer in the band. You should check him out if you don't already know about him on YouTube. And today was a big day. It was really awesome to wake up and see a video of the first running of the whole machine playing the drums. It was awesome. So, I was pretty excited about it. So many good things happened today. It was a beautiful day. All right. I got my little color card back here. This is what I used today to white balance and color grade the stream in OBS. I'm not using any LUTs. I have my Blackmagic Pocket Cinema camera, the first version. It was the second one. It was the really small one, but not the 4K one. And yeah, I'm running it in film mode, which they have a video mode, which is like Rec 709, but in film mode, they have a log mapping of the color gamut. I think it's what it is, and so yeah, it allows. So I'm running in film mode and not video mode, and because in video mode, my scopes, the scopes that I'm using, SDI scope, is, you know, the color in the video mode just wasn't matching up on the vector scope. So when I switched it over film and then started adjusting for the white levels, the black levels, and the gamma, then yeah, I was able to get a stellar image like I have right now. So really happy about the color, the saturation. You know, I don't know. It's not washed out. I don't look like a pale fish that's been at the bottom of the ocean for a long time. Instead, I'm sunburned. I've got flesh. It's great to be able to get the color and to get the dynamic range. So very, very, very happy about the current setup. Yeah, I'm using a Blackmagic Intensity Pro card, one of the first ones, not the latest one with 4K. And yeah, and it's pretty sweet. So let's see if my audio is working. That was the other thing, as I was testing. I wired up OBS in the audio routes in a very specific way, and it wasn't working earlier. So now this is to test it. So let's see if I can hear myself. Let's see. Oh, good. Yeah. Fantastic. Oh, that's great. Woohoo! All right. There we go. Adjusted the desktop audio so I can hear other things going on because it was way too loud in my headphones. Adjusted the desktop audio so I can hear other things going on because it was way too loud in my headphones. Oh, yeah, and I need to check the delay. You can. Yeah, and I need to check the delay. Oh, good. The delay's perfect. That's nice. All right, if I have this earpiece near the microphone, then the microphone will pick it up, so I gotta put it in my ear. Oh, good. The delay's perfect. That's nice. All right, if I have this earpiece near. Now, am I allowed to play music as long as I'm not charging money, will this get taken down? I don't know. Maybe I should take this video offline. I don't know. As long as I'm not charging money. You know, if I'm not making money on the channel, if I don't, you know, monetize the channel, then am I allowed to have a video that has music from someone else? I guess so. I mean, how could people post how could people post videos from like rock concerts and stuff like that? I don't know. All right. There's probably only me watching right now, so. I think that does it for my test. So, I am, let's see. If I turn this up a little bit more, there we go. Now I'm definitely louder than the stream. Okay, I might be going over there. So that looks good. Very, very nice. Oh yeah, I have to set up an audio outsource so that I can hear the final mix from OBS. I'll have to do that tomorrow. All right. Well. Oh no, I didn't test the thing. Okay. Okay, so we switched to screen 2, and we should still have the audio playing. And then let's start the camera. This is I think there's a bug in OBS where it won't, like I have to close down the app and then reopen it. I have to like quit the app and then reopen it in order for it to sync. So there's that. Now I'm going to switch to the app. Quit the app and then reopen it in order for it to sync. So there's that. Now I'm going to switch to All right, so I'm just having a challenge moment right now, but I need to get the audio going out to the stream from the iPhone. I had it working the other day, so it's just something I need to do. All right, so we'll go back to there because my phone's gonna run down quickly, so I got that closed. And now let's Yeah. That's a really good shot. He looks really focused. Okay, so this. Okay, so now we'll test. I mean, that works. Then if I go to, this is the iPhone shot. But it's, not working. Filters. Oh, no, but this is fine, because this is the XLR mic. Okay. Is that working? Yeah, it's working now, but oh my low bandwidth, I think. Oh, is that hard drive? Oh, wow, check this out. I put a DVR over here with security cameras and stuff, and I think the hard drive's making a ton of noise. Let's see, I'm gonna unplug it. No, wait. Well, now it's gone. But if I turn the camera around here, is the audio... That's really weird. Oh. I think my phone, I had to replace the screen. Yeah. So I had screen, and when I moved the camera, the screen didn't have a little isolation pad, and I couldn't get the isolation pad off the other, off the broken glass. So I guess I need to get a new phone. Okay. All right. So, okay, good. Look at those colors. They're so beautiful. That magenta is really... Oh, I have to tell you guys, the iPhone's color and white balance is spectacular. Like, looking at the vector of the color board was right on, was accurate, was right where you'd expect the dots to be for it. I tried to get that on the Blackmagic, but I couldn't get it perfectly. But that's what I did today also, is I color balanced my iPhone and my Blackmagic so I could switch between them. This isn't a good example right now. I mean, if I switch here back to this one, obviously the color is different. That's funny. But if I switch over here, then you look at the color. I guess with the Blackmagic, it's a little softer. And here it's more blue, but man, those colors are incredibly accurate to the board. It's just right, spot on. Of course, I'm looking at a monitor that's not calibrated, but like I said, when you look at the vector scope of it, it's perfect. It's really good. All right, that's it. I think I'm done for the night. Fun. Oh my God, the phone gets so hot. It's crazy. Hopefully, a new phone won't have those issues. Meaning, it'll run cooler. So, I'm thinking of getting the big one, the Apple iPhone XR. I think that's the one. But I want to get like 512 gigs of RAM. So, hard drive space of, So, anyways, that is it for tonight. Tomorrow, I'm going to try to figure out how to get my control surfaces wired up so I can... Oh, there's the raccoons. And that's going to be cool, because then I can have a cough button, maybe a dump button or rewind, things like that, with OBS. OBS doesn't support control through MIDI at the current point, but people are using applications that generate keystrokes from MIDI events. So that's going to be fun. I'm going to get that software installed and get it wired up. I had good success on Mac OS to do that, but for Windows, I'm not sure how hard it's going to be. So, all right. Well, I don't know if anybody's watching. I'm probably going to watch myself later. So maybe I'm the only one that's going to really like this. Alright guys, take it easy. Oh, I need to get some like outro videos and stuff like that. Oh, I have an idea. That's going to be pretty good.